I tried to take the high road instead of cursing her out, and don't come at me sideways. Hey guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to address a comment that someone made to me the other day related to shampooing your locks. So I'll just say that I really try not to engage the haters and the trolls too much. I know they want to be fed. I know they're thirsty and they're just looking for attention. I think that's just really what it boils down to. People looking for attention. And I hate to say it, but as much positivity that I get on my channel, as much love, as much gratitude, and just really dope comments from all of you, sometimes, every once in a while, I get something just crazy, outlandish, and yeah, just dumb stuff. And so this comment that I got yesterday, on the crazy spectrum, it was just far out there. I have never gotten such a detailed and ridiculous comment from somebody and so this was on a picture that I posted on Instagram. And when I saw it, I didn't understand. And so one of the things I'll say is that I do appreciate a challenge at times. I don't want to surround myself with yes people. I want to know what I'm doing wrong so that way I can improve. And the only way you do that is to have people who disagree with you at times, people who challenge you, people who hold a mirror up to you. So yeah, I appreciate the comment for getting me to think about this and you know, sharing it with you guys. But I will say though, it was just stupid. So to protect the guilty, I'm not gonna put the person's name on here. I think that's just messy. I am gonna read the comment though. I will show you the comment and yeah, just let you make up your own mind about what this is. So here's the picture that I posted on the gram, and let me just say, okay, yes, it was kind of a thirst trap a little bit, and I don't really post those a lot. And I said, okay, well, it's time for a thirst trap. And the caption says, my locks and scalp are begging for a wash tomorrow, with a smiley face. I got a lot of nice positive comments. Then I got a comment that said, you should wash your so-called locks, all caps locks, daily. How someone take a wash / bath / shower without washing their locks? Just nasty. Your roots, all caps, need water every day. Need a wash at least with water daily. Let's be real. Plus, them not dreads with the sighing face and the investigating spectacle thingy. So, first of all, why is this comment so angry? Why is it so intense? Why is it so involved? I have never seen this person on my Instagram ever. Never seen them on YouTube. I don't know this person and they don't know me. And I didn't mention the last time I washed my hair. I didn't mention that in the post. I will say, yeah, it's been a few weeks since I washed my locks because I had them in choose and twist and I was just wearing that as a protective style. Also, guys, I forgot to mention while filming this, I didn't mention how she was emphasizing the distinction between locks and dreads. And you're absolutely right. They're not dreads, they're locks. And I know there's a lot of, you know, spirituality and everything tied up into that, but I call my locks locks and I'm not offended because you say they're not dreads. That's all. This is a woman, an older woman. So like she's at least 50, she might even be in her 60s. I don't necessarily disagree that I probably should have water on my hair every day. Water is very nourishing, water is hydrating, water is the only way to properly moisturize your locks. You could do rose water, you could do plain water, whatever, but you do need water on your hair and scalp. I do deal with dandruff. And there was a point that I was washing my locks every 3 weeks or so because I wanted to stretch out the retwist. It wasn't until this summer 2020, that I gave myself a real chance to just wash my locks without retwisting them, and I put them in braids so I could do a braid out. And it was then that I kind of gave myself permission to wash my locks without retwisting, because my thing is I never want to retwist too much. That's always been my thing from day one. And then it got to the point where I planned on washing my locks more often. Generally speaking, I would like to wash my locks at least once a week. But let me tell you something, Missy. I'm not washing my locks every day, and there's nothing you can say that's gonna make me do it. I have cultivated locks. I do not have freeform locks. Washing my locks daily presents a problem for me in terms of tangling and maintenance. If I wash my locks daily, I'm going to be constantly manipulating my roots daily, which is going to lead to tangling, which could eventually lead to thinning. That's my opinion. So I'm not doing it every day. On my channel, I try to be very careful about what I say. The things that I show you on my channel are things that I'm doing. I don't tell you what to do with your locks because I don't see your locks. I don't see your head, I don't see your scalp. So I feel like it's just irresponsible for me to tell people what they should do with their hair. Nobody knows your hair better than you. Nobody knows my hair better than me. I have been doing my locks for 6+ years, almost 7 years. You don't know my locks better than I do. Yes, the scalp needs to be washed, period. Everybody's hair needs to be washed. Everybody's scalp needs to be cleansed. As far as how often you should do it, I'm not gonna sit here on a pedestal and tell you how often you should wash your locks. Because I truly think it depends on your scalp needs, the moisture level of your hair, the texture of your hair, how much time you're willing to devote to maintaining your locks. All of that is personal. All right. Should you moisturize your locks daily? I feel like you should. You know, you moisturize your hair with water. So then, yeah, that means you would be putting water on your hair daily. But I'm not gonna go as far to tell you exactly how to do that. I'll be real, I don't moisturize my locks every day. Sometimes I forget to do it. I'm not saying that that is what you should do. I'm saying that's how it ends up becoming sometimes, especially in the middle of this pandemic. Yes, you should be moisturizing your locks and scalp, but I will say that not a single one of my 89 locks has fallen out in the past almost 7 years. You can miss me with that, lady. So my response was, my locks, capital, are just fine, blank, her name. It's been 6 years and I know how to take care of them at this point. Good day. That's, my mom always says good day. So I feel like there's times where I want to go off on people back. I want to give them what they give me. And that's not always the smartest decision. It honestly made me feel a little bit guilty wanting to go off on this person, but I'm also like, you came on my page and you don't know me and you started going off on me and judging me. So I feel like no matter your age, ethnicity, whatever, you know, if you spew nastiness, you gotta expect that somebody might give it back to you. That's all I'm saying. I tried to take the high road instead of cursing her out. And so overall, when it comes to how often you should wash your locks, it really depends on you, okay? I will say that washing your locks a little bit more is probably better than a little less. In the very beginning, I used to be a little more prescriptive. Now it's like, it's all subjective. There are some like hard truths that I do believe when it comes to locks. Like number one, I don't believe that you need beeswax to start locks, because I did not use beeswax and I have locks. And yeah, I didn't need that. That's like a core belief of my lock journey and of the advice that I would give somebody if they asked me. I'm not saying washing your hair is optional. It's a must. It helps your hair lock. When you get your locks started, don't wash them. But after a certain point, you can wash them. You should wash them, because you don't want to get locks from just a bunch of dirt and debris and dust and gunk. You want locks because the hair is tangled. I'm still learning on this journey. I'm still growing. You know, I get a lot of questions about what should I do about X, Y, and Z. And I don't always feel comfortable answering those questions. I only give you, you know, my experience. That is all I can give you, because I don't know your hair. If there's ever a point where I am prescriptive, feel free to call me out. I think that's so important. It's so important to have differing opinions. We all have different perspectives, and that's how we learn and grow. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks to all of you who are always positive and full of light and sunshine. I appreciate y'all. And those of you who have challenging opinions, I appreciate y'all too. Those of you who want to give me your butt to kiss, you can kiss mine back and I'll block you and then we're all good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that like button. Please hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, subscribe, all of that. I will see you guys next time. Bye.